Moving your broilers too early or too late will slow their growth. In this video, I will show you the best time and the best method to always use. I'm Chijendo Ryan from Farfest Academy. Oh yeah, let's go into my brooder. You should always move your broiler chicks into a bigger space by the second week or third week. And the major reason for doing that is because by second week or third week, they have grown enough feathers that will keep them warm. Because you move them to a bigger place when they have not gotten enough feathers. When the weather gets cold at night or during the daytime, if it is rainy season, it will affect them. It will affect them seriously. And so you need to wait till second or third week when they have grown enough feathers. Then you need to check on them after you've moved them to a bigger space. Because for me, I always cover some parts of the pen that I'm using. From that second week into the third week, then I will open it up. But if it is during rainy season, I'll still cover some places, and so that when it is raining, I will bring the nylon down so that rain will not enter my pen. Then when you want to move them to a bigger space, if you are not brooding your chick inside the pen that you want to use, you can use a big bowl or basket. Then carry as many as you can carry at once. It shouldn't be too much. It shouldn't be too much. Just carry as many or as little as you can carry at once, one step at a time. Or if you are like me that brood your chick inside a pen that you might use, the only thing you need to do is like now, I will just remove this plank that I constructed by myself for brooding, because I normally do that myself in order to cut cost. I will just remove it. I'll remove it, then I'll spread the sawdust on the ground. They will start enjoying their new pen or their new environment. That is, most times, that is just the easiest way to avoid stress. Or if you think that the pen that you are brooding them is is bigger than what they ought to, you can divide it. Like if I'm to use this place now, I'll just use plank and I will just use plank and divide this place to the extreme, then remove this one you are seeing now. Just remove this one, and then the top now, from the top now down into the extreme would be the pen that they will be using. So it is just very easy. If you can use your pen as your brooder, it's safe and it's better. But if you cannot, you can use baskets or bowl to move them. But always remember not to move them when the weather is too hot or when it is raining or when there is noise, as in when the noise is too much. These are precautions you need to take always. Then after moving them, if you are taking them to a different pen, you need to give them multivitamin to ease the stress. With this a simple method, you will know the right time to move your broilers and the best method to use at every given time. But if you want to know more things about how to brood your chicks successfully, watch this video.